Welcome to Decode Chinese Characters.
Let's continue learning Chinese characters related to body parts. Today, we'll learn the character she. The character she is a typical pictographic character. In the Oracle bone script, its earliest form looks like a mouth with a curved line coming out of it, just like a tongue sticking out. By the Bronze inscription period, a forward curving line was added to the tongue shape, emphasizing its ability to extend and retract, along with small dots hint at food or moisture. Later, the character gradually evolved into the form we see today. Even though much of its original pictographic form has disappeared, its resemblance to a tongue can still be seen. The character she originally refers to the tongue, the organ in the mouths of humans and animals that helps distinguish tastes, assists in chewing, and aids in pronunciation. Besides meaning the physical tongue, this character also appears in words connected to speaking, tasting, and sometimes even shape. It appears in many words, each with slightly different meanings. For example, 舌尖 means the tip of the tongue. 舌面 means the upper surface of the tongue. In these words, 舌 directly refers to parts of the body. 舌战 means metaphorically describes a fierce debate. 毒舌 means describes sharp, sarcastic, or caustic speech. Here, 舌 is related to speaking and debate. 火舌 refers to the flickering tip of a flame, named for its long, thin, tongue-like shape. 帽舌 refers to the brim of a cap that extends forward, resembling a tongue. In these words, she refers to objects shaped like a tongue. From these examples, we can see that she either points to the tongue itself or builds on its main features, tasting, speaking, and its long, slender shape. Now let's practice reading it. 舌 舌 舌 The character she is made up of a top-bottom structure with tian on top and kou on the bottom. It consists of 6 strokes: left falling stroke, horizontal stroke, vertical stroke, horizontal folding stroke, and horizontal stroke. Now let's look at how to write she. First, write the top component, tian. First, write a left falling stroke at the top of the writing grid. Then, write a long horizontal stroke below the left falling stroke. After that, write a vertical stroke that starts from the center of the left falling stroke and goes down through the center of the horizontal stroke. Next, write the bottom component, kou. Do you remember how to write it? The order is a vertical stroke, then a horizontal folding stroke, and finally, a horizontal stroke to close the bottom. Practice a few times, and you'll be able to write it smoothly and naturally. She is also a useful character component. It usually appears on the left side of characters and typically conveys meanings related to the tongue. For example, 甜 means sweet. 甜 means to lick. In modern daily Chinese, we don't say she alone to refer to the tongue. Instead, we say 舌头. However, she is still widely used in idioms and fixed expressions, such as 唇枪舌剑, literally means lips like spears and a tongue like a sword, used to describe sharp, intense verbal sparring or debate. 巧舌如簧, literally means a tongue as flexible as the reed of a musical instrument. It describes someone who is extremely eloquent and very skilled at using smooth, persuasive words. Have you learned it? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. More Chinese character stories are coming soon.